You said you don't post relationships.
So why does the moment I realized he was an version of you I begged for? That was the moment I realized he was never private. He was only private about me. Can we take one picture together?
For what?
Just for us. We look nice tonight.
You know I don't really do pictures.
You posted keeping my dune last time. How?
No, start, Sophia.
You post your food.
I just like keeping my dating life private.
Don't start, Sophia. I'm not asking you to announce me to the whole world.
Then why does it matter so much?
Because sometimes it feels like I only exist when we're alone.
You're making this bigger than it is.
Am I?
Yes, only where nobody can see.
He still hasn't posted you?
He says he's private.
So if private people don't hide one person, display everything else.
What if I'm asking for too much? Asking not to be treated like a secret is not too much. I just want to know where I stand.
You always need reassurance.
Because you keep making me guess.
I told you I care about you.
But you never show it.
Not everything has to be online. I know that.
But hiding me feels different from protecting us.
You're turning something small in for noticing the drama.
This one is cute.
Yeah,
Can I post it?
I don't know.
Maybe don't.
Why?
I just don't want people in my business.
People already know you have a life, Ethan.
Sophia,
Good company? I told myself not to overthink it, but your body knows when something feels wrong before your heart admits it. Who's Chloe?
A friend.
She comments on everything.
So?
You said you don't like people in your business.
She's not my business.
But I am?
you're reading too much into this.
I hope I am. You didn't want people in your business? You just didn't want them to know I was part of it. What happened? He posted her. Who?
Chloe. Oh, Sophia.
He said he was private. No, he was selective. I feel so stupid.
I feel so stupid. You're not stupid. You trusted someone who benefited from being unclear.
You didn't have to text like that.
You didn't have to post like that.
It was just a picture.
No, it was proof
Proof of what?
that you knew how to show someone off. You just didn't want it to be me.
You're making this about you.
Because you made me invisible.
You didn't choose peace.
You chose someone who didn't know what you did to get there. Maybe she thought she won. But being chosen by someone dishonest is not a prize.
Why wasn't I enough? Don't do that. I gave him patience, space, understanding. And he gave you confusion. I kept thinking if I loved him better, he would stop hiding me. Have you? Love doesn't make emotionally unavailable people honest. He didn't hide you. He hid you because he lacked courage.
Sophia,
How did you know I was here?
Mia posted the cafe.
So now you watch posts?
I just want to talk. You had months to talk.
I didn't know you felt this strongly. You knew. You just hoped I'd keep quiet.
I never meant to hurt you.
But you did.
I care about you.
Then why was caring for me always private? Why did I have to beg for a photo but Chloe got a caption? It wasn't like that. It was exactly like that.
I'm sorry.
For hiding me?
Yes.
Or because I finally saw it?
I messed up.
No. You made choices. You already acted like you didn't have me.
I didn't want to lose you.
You already acted like you didn't have me. Answer it.
Chloe.
Answer it. Did she see the post? So she knew about me?
Sophia, listen.
No. I heard enough.
Please don't leave like this.
You already left me.
I'm here now.
No, you're here because being exposed feels lonely. Your secret. And I won't be your backup.
Never beg to be seen by someone who already knows how to show off what they want. He never hated posting. He hated proof that I mattered. Was Sofia right to walk away?